Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, today's redemption day. Now, if you've seen the video where I made this out of silicone putty and an old silicone mould, I made it, I was just trying out some alcohol inks, they were alcohol inks, some pigments that I got from Temu, and I made it in like a bronze. Now, I've had lots of stick off the editor for that. He calls it the poo video because apparently it was poo coloured. I'm sorry for being crude, I don't mean to be. So I'm going to do an amethyst slice today in this mould, and I'm going to redeem myself in the eyes of the editor and possibly some of you. So I'm going to go and get some resin mixed up. I want to make the stand on this frame mould because I want to put it on a stand. So I don't know whether to do that in purple or do that in clear, but we'll see. So I will go and get some resin mixed up, and I will be but a moment. Right, I'm going to paint around here with Let's Resin's, I think it says purple. I could be wrong, my eyes are shocking. I do have a magnifying glass, but it's in the bedroom. So I'm going to use this beautiful colour. Now usually I'm not making it exactly like an amethyst, but usually it's a bit paler an amethyst around this part, but because that part comes out matte, I'm hoping that it will. So I'm just going to paint this on and I'll clean up after. It's a beautiful colour, this. I'll speed you up for this. I've left that line around there because I think it'd be quite nice. Now I'm using Let's Resin Epoxy today. I've picked out some mica powders. Let's Resin's dark purple and it's a generic but very pale, it's like a lavender, that one. Now I do like Let's Resin's purple alcohol ink, but if I put purple alcohol ink in there with one of the mica powders, I'm running the risk of having like the crackle effect, which is not really what I want. But I do want to use the alcohol ink in the middle because I think it'll be beautiful. Is that even the right colour? We'll go for it. We'll go for it. I'm going to mix those two up. Right, I've separated a little bit of the resin, and this is the Let's Resin purple mica powder. And I'm just going to go for it. If it doesn't match, it doesn't match. I've learnt something, haven't I? I'm usually pretty good at matching colours, but there we go. Absolutely beautiful purple, that. It is absolutely gorgeous. I've decided I am using the alcohol ink. I'm going to do like a push in the centre, and I'm going to separate some of this for the alcohol ink. Like I say, I want a decent enough push. I want it quite deep, so quite a lot in there. This is another lovely colour. Let's Resin knows how to do the purples, that's for sure. And if we do get a crackle effect of some kind, I'm not overly bothered. I did want it to be perfect, but you know, and actually look like an amethyst, but I just can't do it exactly because it's natural, isn't it? An amethyst is natural. Now I'm going to put the mica around the outside, and this, like I say, is the push, the alcohol ink. Let's get this around the outside. I know it's going to drip into the middle. But I want this up the sides as well. We'll push all of this in the centre. And hopefully it'll push that out. Then we'll put some clear in the centre. I just want to make this mould look pretty. I mean, I enjoyed making the mould. I really did. It was great. So I'm going to pop a bit of Angel Whispers glitter into this clear resin. We're just going to top it up right in the centre. It's also very uneven, this mould. It does need a tiny bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape, and then I'm going to squirt with isopropyl alcohol. We'll let it clear. The back looks nice, doesn't it? I'll see you when it's cured. All cured now, nice and hard. Let's see what we've got. Let's hope I've redeemed myself and it's better than the last one. It's actually been a couple of days, so I'm going to struggle cutting them off, but we will trim around the edges. Makes some nice sounds as it's coming out. Are we ready? I'm not ready. Oh, it's quite nice. I mean, it's done a little weird crackling effect in the middle, but I kind of like it. That's really rather cool. Does it look like an amethyst? No. Does it look better than the last one? Yes. I might give it a top coat because there's a few little air bubbles. Oh, it's coming off all right. I'm just going to take them short bits off all the way around. I'll not make you sit through all of this, and I will mix up a little bit for the top coat. Possibly something on the sides. I don't know. Kind of like the sides matte. I'll see you in a minute. Right, I've cut this out on my Cricut. Right, so we'll get this on. Some transfer tape over the top. I'm sorry, I thought I was recording, but obviously not. The phone just went off and I thought, oh, I've just done the top coat. So all I've done is I mixed 40 mils, I've put it on the top, pushed it to the ends. Most of you know how to do a top coat, but for any beginners, I've just pushed it to the ends. Don't want it going over, and just domed it ever so slightly. I've decided not to put anything on there because even though it doesn't look exactly like an amethyst slice, the amethyst slice are usually matte and lighter, aren't they, on the jagged edges. So I'm going to leave that unless I change my mind. I'll be back once that's cured. I'm just going to spritz it with 99% alcohol and I'll see you in a bit. Right, these are cured. The top coat is cured. I will show you that in a moment. Let's take these out. I do like this mould. A bit of glitter sunk. Like I say, I just sprinkled it on the top because I'd forgot to put it in, so it was an afterthought. So we have got a bit that's lovely. And these slot together like that. How fab is that? So useful, so very useful. You can glue them if you want. I tend to just leave them like that because you can bring them in. And I will show you this. I think it's turned out lovely. I only vibe for the right energy. That's so true. I like the fact that that is matte, which I didn't like in the last one. But I think it's the chrome powders. They just make it look really nice. Isn't that lovely? And we'll sit it on there. Sits on beautifully. Yeah, I'm really pleased. I'm pleased. I think I have redeemed myself. It's far better than the last one. Nice and smooth round there now with giving it a top coat because it was quite sharp. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you think I redeemed myself if you've seen the last one. Thanks ever so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. You're all fab. And thank you to my members. Thank you to my subscribers and everybody that watches the channel. You're awesome too. And I will see you for the next one. Bye.